In a time of uncertainty and social distancing, I've been loving what I'm seeing from our teachers throughout New Bedford Public Schools, doing cool, innovative things like writing raps, art projects, science projects, wellness activities, and much more by incorporating virtual tools. We want to highlight that for everyone, so we're partnering with Steam the Streets to produce a virtual music video for our whole community that shows NBTLC, New Bedford Teaching, Learning, and Connecting. I'm here with DJ Angeli, who's going to tell you a little bit more.
All right, thank you, Mr. Anson. What's up, everybody? It's your boy, DJ Angeli, and for those of you who do not know who I am an educator here in the city, and I represent STEAM Streets. And what I normally do is I go into the schools and I work with young folks to try to inspire and motivate them to pursue careers in the field of STEAM, right? And usually when I'm on stage doing my thing, I like to highlight and showcase a bunch of cool things. But unfortunately, I can't go into the schools right now. But that doesn't mean the work has to stop. So we decided that we're going to partner with each other, right? And we're going to create this virtual music video. Oh, yeah, it's going to happen. And guess what? You are going to be the stars. Who's you? Teachers, students, family members. If you represent New Bedford Public Schools, man, we want you to be part of this. Whether you're in the north end, the south end, the west end, the elementary school, middle school, high school, no matter where you at, if you represent New Bedford Public Schools, we want to see y'all. So what is it we want to see? We want to see you guys uploading videos of maybe you doing some virtual classrooms, right? You helping siblings, right? You doing some art projects, anything that is going to show people how New Bedford is still teaching, how we're still learning, and how we're still connecting with each other. So what I need you to do is I need you to go to this website, steamthestreets.org/NBTLC. I need you to submit your videos. That's where it's all going down at, right? Please go submit your videos. I look forward to the submissions. Man, this video is going to be dope, man. I can't wait to see what's happening. So let's show the people what we're really about, all right?
Everything he said, let's step up and let's do it.